Hi, this is Pascal with SiteCode, and I'm here to give you a quick little tour of Webiva and show you how to quickly set up a simple site inside of the system. So here we are logged into a demo site. By default, when you start up a site, Webiva tries to get out of your way, so all it does is create a blank home page. If we go in here, jump into the editor, you see all we've got is a blank page. This can be a little overwhelming for new users, so we've added in some wizards which help you get started with the system a little bit quicker. So we're just going to use this set up a basic site wizard, and all that's going to do is add in a couple of pages into the system along with a simple template to get you started. Adds in also a thing called a framework, which will put in a menu. If we jump into our site right now, you'll see we've got a real simple site with a couple different pages. We can go into the editor, see kind of what our site looks like inside of the WYSIWYG editor, and we can easily put in some more content, click Save Changes, and that'll get persisted out onto the site. Now this isn't all that interesting, but what we can do is we can pull in a different theme. Now normally you would upload a custom theme or use one that you found online. We can also just import them directly from webiva.net. We've got this theme called Super Design Theme, which is just a simple design theme with a couple of custom fonts. We're going to be adding more themes on webiva.net, and these will show up right here to make them real easy to install. All we got to do is click Install. That'll actually download the file on the server side, and we can just import it directly into the system. You'll see we've got a new theme here called Super Design Theme. If we go back to website, all we have to do is modify this theme modifier. And now our site has a little more class to it. We can easily jump into the editor and make changes directly from inside the site. You'll see we've got a custom font, and that works just fine inside of our WYSIWYG editor. Themes can include stuff like page variables. So if we want to modify the default site that's in the default site name that's in this theme, we can do that just by putting in a different name. So we'll just call it demo site, and that'll show up right there. Now so far we've only talked about static content. If we want to add in some dynamic content like a blog, all we got to do is make sure we've got the right modules activated. So let's go to Options Module, click Activate. And now that that's activated, we can jump back to Website and go to Wizards. And now we see we've got a new wizard called Add a Blog. It's called Site Blog. And we can just add that right into the site. Let's give it 5 dummy posts. And now we've got another page that's added right into our site. And you'll see it's already themed nicely with the theme, and it's added into our menu bar here at the top. Now we can obviously go in and edit the blog content itself, or if we want to, we can edit the style of the blog directly from inside of the site. Let's just say create a new style, and this will bring up our little style editor. Let's say we just want to highlight this is a blog post. Click Update Paragraph. You'll see that that updates right from inside of the system, making it very easy to style your content, style all your various dynamic pieces of your site directly from inside of the system. Alright, well that is a quick tour of the system. There's a lot more going on. We've got e-commerce, we've got forums, but this should be enough to get you started.